Back. We are going to learn today automated machine learning regression using Azure Machine Learning Workspace. So again, without wasting time, I will go to my Azure Machine Learning Workspace. And as you can see here, this is the option for the automated ML. From here, we are going to select our first automated machine learning. The first option that we can see here is our data set. So this one is for regression. So we are going to select a tabular data set for bike rentals. As you can see, our compute cluster has also started. So now I'm going to give a new name for this experiment, which will be Auto ML regression. And the target column would be my rentals. Compute cluster is the compute cluster that we created in last experiment. And with this, we are going to proceed. The Azure Machine Learning has automatically understood that it is a regression type, so regression is coming over here selected, which is fair enough. And with the additional settings, the primary metric that we are going to identify is normalize root mean square. And the algorithms that we want to block for this purpose, we are going to select few. And the only purpose of selecting this experiment is to minimize the run of the experiment. So it's just a random selection of the experiment. Don't feel that why is there any purpose that why I'm selecting these ones. Okay, I have selected few. Exit criteria, I'm going to give 0.5. So that means for half an hour it should be running. Next threshold, okay, I'm going to leave it for now. Validation, automatically concurrency maximum 2. Going to save it. Featureization settings, okay, that's fine. And this is deselected, which is okay because this is our predicted variable. I'm going to do finish. And with this, my automated ML run is getting created. And you can see here, it has not started yet and it would be kick off quite soon. So now we can go to compute and see what is happening on our cluster. So let me go to compute cluster, which is here, and now active nodes are 2, so that means it has started. I'm computing stop cluster compute instance. Okay, sorry. Let's go back to the experiment. So this is the ML regression that we just started, and if we go into the details, we can see that one experiment is running, and that's a run number and the run ID, and it was started a minute back. And if we go further into the details, we can see that's a run ID for which we triggered, and the model which will come over here, the best or the selected one, child runs, which is already queued. And here inside we can see it hasn't triggered anything yet. So this experiment will take close to again half an hour to complete. So what I would suggest is to wait, and we will get back shortly once the experiment is completed. Yeah, thank you guys, see you soon.